Hello and welcome to Empire's Web Mentoring Series. In these videos, we will walk you through different hardware and software topics and provide you with easy to digest information. In this video, we will be covering the Siemens Programming Software Suite, TIA Portal. As to the video topics today, I will be discussing what Siemens TIA Portal is, what software packages are available that integrate into TIA Portal, and walk you through general navigation and usability. One of the most important products in Siemens TIA solution is their TIA Portal software. TIA Portal is software used to configure, program, and network all the devices in your machine. The TIA Portal software is a single engineering framework for all your automation tasks: automation, visualization, drives, and networking. Everything integrated into one package. Shown here are the core software packages which integrate within TIA Portal. We have Simatic Step 7, which is Siemens Controller Programming Software. We have Simatic Safety, which is Siemens Functional Safety Programming Software. Simatic WinCC, which is Siemens HMI and Panel Visualization Software. And Simatic Start Drive, which is Siemens drive and motor configuration and commissioning software. Once installed, these products are integrated into the single programming environment that is TIA Portal. One project can contain components from any of the software packages above and will integrate seamlessly. There are additional engineering and runtime options that are available to help facilitate additional functionality or usability. Please contact your local Empire sales representative or visit empirewc.com for more information regarding the different Siemens software packages available to suit your needs. And with that, we'll dive into TIA Portal. So when you first launch TIA Portal, you will be presented with the screen that I am showing here. This is what's called the portal view. Here you can easily create, open, or migrate a project, as well as there is this welcome tour button right here. And clicking this will open up a web browser, and it will take you to the Siemens Tutorial Center webpage for TIA Portal. Shown here are some useful guides and tips. So simply click on whatever button, whatever concept you're interested to learn about, and you'll be presented with some useful information regarding that. So here we will create a new project. So I'm going to click the Create New Project button here. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to ensure that the file path is the path that I want to save it in, and I'm going to click Create. So you can see here on the left there are some grayed out buttons. So after you open or create a project, your project will be open and these buttons will no longer be grayed out. You can do some programming and project configuration from these menus, but generally that's not recommended. So once this project's finished getting created, you can see that these are no longer grayed out. You've got some first steps listed here, but what we're going to do is we're going to jump directly into the project view. So you can do that by clicking this project view button, and the button is also located down here on the left. So it's within the project view that we're going to be doing the majority, if not all, of the programming. So up here we have the menu bar. Below that we've got the taskbar. The taskbar has some useful buttons listed here on the right side. We've got the compile, download, upload, simulate, as well as runtime buttons. We've got the go online and go offline buttons, and you can also start or stop the Siemens CPU right from the software here. On the left side, we've got the project tree. So you'll notice that there are no devices that start out in the project tree, and we can add devices as we wish. You can have essentially as many devices as you wish to have in a single project. There's no limits there. Also down here on the left side, there is a tab for reference projects, so you can bring in an existing Siemens project and reference it. There's also a details view, which is useful for, let's say you're working on a bit of logic and you want to reference some tags from a tag table. You can have that shown down here in the details view. So on the right side here, we have the task area. This also holds libraries, and when we've got the logic portion up in the center, you'll also see some other things like different instructions that you can add into your program and such. Similarly, when we've got an HMI open, you'll see all the different buttons or graphics that you can pull into your project here on the right side. Down at the bottom, we've got the inspector view. So here is essentially where you'll adjust any properties of the device you're working with, as well as the logic you're working with. You can also see the info tab here. You can do cross-referencing. You can also see your compile status, if there are any errors or such. And there's a diagnostics tab as well for showing different devices if they're online, offline. And up here, where you see these gears currently shown, this is the work area. This is where the majority of all of your programming is going to be done. Your device selection is going to be done. So after you add a device, the devices and networks will show up here. And I can quick show off that real quick as well. So we'll simply open that up. And because we don't have a device in there right now, it won't be populated. But under the network tab, we would see a representation of every device we have in our project. And we'll also see how they are connected, as in what network they are on. Under the device view, we would see a physical representation of, let's say, your PLC or your remote, like your ET200SP with your remote I/O. And that's sort of a simple overview of how to navigate TIA Portal. Thank you for watching.